Book of Heaven, Volume 11, February 19, 1913. The divine will is opium that puts to sleep all that is human in the soul. Jesus desires to speak through the soul to do good to others. Continuing in my usual state and having received Holy Communion, my always lovable Jesus told me,
"My daughter, my will is like opium to the body. The poor patients who have to undergo an operation, the severing of one leg or one arm, are put to sleep with the opium. With it, they will not feel the sharpness of the pain, and after they wake up, they will find themselves with the results of the accomplished operation. If they have not suffered too much, it is all by virtue of the opium. Such is my will, the opium of the soul, which puts to sleep the intelligence, the love of self, the self-esteem, all that is human. The opium of my will does not allow displeasure, slander, suffering, or a state of interior pains of the soul to penetrate deeply into her, because it keeps her as though asleep. But with this, the soul still finds herself with the same effects and the same merits. Even more, oh, how much she surpasses them, just as if she had thoroughly felt that suffering. But with this difference, the opium for the body has to be purchased and cannot be used often or every day, and if a person wanted to overuse it, he would become dazed, especially if he is of weak constitution. On the other hand, the opium of my will I give out for free. It can be taken at any moment, and the more often the soul takes it, the more light of reason she acquires, and if she is weak, she acquires divine strength."
After this, I seemed to see people around me, and I said to Jesus, "Who are they?" And Jesus,
"They are the ones whom I entrusted to you some time ago. I commend them to you. Watch over them. I want to form this bond of union between you and them so as to have them always around me."
And he pointed out to me one in particular, and Jesus, have you forgotten about my misery and nothingness and the extreme need I have? What shall I do? And Jesus,
"My daughter, you will do nothing, just as you have always done nothing. I alone will speak and operate within you, and I will speak through your mouth. If only you want it so, and if there is good disposition in them, I will offer myself for everything. And even if I should keep you asleep in my will, I will wake you up when necessary, and I will let you speak to them. I will delight more in hearing you speak about my will both in vigil and in sleep."